When installing a dishwasher, generally speaking, for residential, there are one hose, one wire with several wires in the strands. Addressing this issue is a braided hose. So let's take this um, haphazard schematic here, and the electrical would be on this side behind the kick plate. The kick plate is removed by a nut driver, screwdriver, or drill or whatnot, a 1/4 inch or whatnot screws, and this little piece here comes off. This piece is exposed where the electrical, this piece is here where the water. One would have the braided hose. So the braided hose goes over here, somewhere behind, maybe through the cabinet, and connects on to the hot water. Again, water side is hot. So you will need the hot water to run the dishwasher. Cold water, I'm sure it may, I don't know what the ramifications are. If you put the cold water, you may want to call your manufacturer. However, generally speaking, you have cold water on the here, hot water over here. This braided hose would go here, perhaps through a cabinet underneath here, and connect on to the orifice, or the either the transition piece that goes from perhaps maybe 3/4 to 3/8. Again, the braided hose would go from 3/8 here, go over here to the, hypothetically, if this were the cutoff, you've got the cold here, the hot here, it would fasten to the hot and go over here and connect here. And once your electrical is connected, your dishwasher should be operable. Thank you for watching.